Have you ever seen one of these? This is the blue-ringed octopus. It's tiny, often no bigger than your hand, and covered in these mesmerizing, iridescent blue rings. It looks like a living jewel, a beautiful creature you might find while exploring a tide pool or snorkeling in the Pacific. But don't let its size or beauty fool you. This little octopus is one of the most venomous animals in the entire ocean. So what would actually happen if you were bitten by one? It's a terrifying scenario, but understanding it could save a life. Stick around and let's dive into the deadly science behind this beautiful but lethal octopus. First off, the bite itself is often painless. You might not even realize you've been bitten until the symptoms start to kick in, which can happen in just a matter of minutes. The real danger isn't the bite, it's the venom. The blue-ringed octopus injects a potent neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin, or TTX for short. This is the same toxin found in pufferfish, and it's incredibly powerful. How powerful? The venom from just one of these tiny octopuses is strong enough to kill over 20 adult humans. Here's the scariest part. There is no known antidote. Once that venom is in your system, there's no magic shot that can reverse its effects. So what does this tetrodotoxin do? It works by blocking the sodium channels in your nerve cells. Think of it like this. Your nerves are the electrical wiring of your body, sending signals from your brain to your muscles. TTX essentially cuts those wires. The signals stop getting through. The first thing you might feel is a numbness or tingling around your lips and face, which quickly spreads. You'll experience muscle weakness, difficulty speaking, and trouble swallowing. Within minutes, this progresses to complete paralysis. You become a prisoner in your own body, fully conscious and aware of everything that's happening, but unable to move a single muscle. This includes the most important muscle for survival, your diaphragm. When your diaphragm is paralyzed, you can no longer breathe on your own. Respiratory failure is what ultimately makes a blue-ringed octopus bite so fatal. Without immediate medical intervention, a person can die within minutes. So what can be done? The only way to survive is through artificial respiration. A victim needs someone to breathe for them, either through mouth-to-mouth resuscitation or ideally with a ventilator in a hospital. They need to be kept on life support, breathing mechanically, until their body can metabolize and excrete the toxin. This process can take many hours. If breathing support can be maintained, the victim has a very good chance of making a full recovery with no long-term damage, as the toxin doesn't permanently harm the nerves. It just temporarily blocks them. The takeaway here is simple. Respect ocean wildlife from a distance. The blue-ringed octopus is a perfect example of why you should never touch or provoke an animal you don't recognize. Its beautiful blue rings are not an invitation. They are a warning sign that flashes brightest when the octopus feels threatened. It's a tiny creature with a lethal defense mechanism. Thanks for watching this deep dive into one of the ocean's most fascinating and dangerous inhabitants. If you found this interesting and want to learn more about the incredible science of survival, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay curious, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.